Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to MarineMax here in Cumming, Georgia. I'm John Powell, and I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough through our 2020 60th Anniversary Edition Sea Ray 19 SPX. This is the biggest 19 that you'll find on the market today. If you'll notice, there's a great deal of interior space. The boat's actually rated for 12 folks, and you can take everybody and all of your gear and be comfortable. We're going to start here at the stern. You can see we've got the equipped with sea deck on this nice wide, big, huge platform. A ladder in one corner. We move into the boat, nice side walkthrough. You don't have to climb over any cushions. Now that we're here in the cockpit, you've got a few things that I want to point out to you. One, you've got a huge sun pad back here. Of course, you lift this up and you can see the engine. We'll get to that in just a minute. But here on the rear bench, again, lots of space. You got room for 3 across. You've got a very nice, large built-in cooler. Just throw your ice in there, throw your drinks in there. It'll all drain into the bilge and you can head out for your day. Another big storage area here in the corner. And while we're back here in the back, I'm going to go ahead and show you the motor, because also one of the storage areas is right next to it. Again, large storage area to one side, but the heart of this beast is the new Mercury 4.5 liter 200 horsepower V6. You can also get this boat with the optional 250 horsepower. This is a Mercury block. It's a new generation of motors. It's lighter, it's more fuel efficient, and it's much more powerful than the old 5 liter V8 that this engine replaced. You've got built-in speed control, and it's an all-around great motor. What you're really going to like, though, is when you go up to the gas station and you don't have to fill it up as often. Moving forward, real nice Helm area, big comfortable captain's chair with a flip down bolster. This does pivot, of course. Digital throttle, USB and power ports, full suite of gauges with speedometer, tack, oil, temperature, everything you need, depth gauge, modern day fusion stereo system. This is going to do Bluetooth. You can even put in your Pandora, your satellite, if you wanted to elect for those things. It'll do everything that you want to do, and it sounds really, really nicely. On the port side, passenger side, this is one of 2 optional ways to have this seat. You can have a second bucket, or in this case, you have a convertible seat. This bench can either be the way you see it now, or you can fold this one underneath and have just a straight chair and have a little bit more extra seating. Here in the center, there's always a place to put everything on your Sea Ray, and you've got a huge floor storage compartment. You can see it's deep, it's wide, and it goes on further up under the deck. You can put all of your noodles, your skis, whatever you want to put down here, you can get it down and out of the way. There we go. This is one of 3 different flooring options that you have in this model. This is the seagrass flooring. You can also get snap-in sea deck, or you can have regular carpet. Moving up forward, lots and lots of space up here. You would never guess this was a 19-foot boat. I am 6'1", and I can lounge out here just nice and comfortably. You've got a nice grab handle right where you want to need it. Of course, this one's got the upgraded stereo, so you've got extra speakers, padding just where you need it, cleats. You can step off the bow, and there's good storage up underneath the front cushions as well. We didn't look at the passenger helm for just a second, but you've got another great big storage area underneath the passenger helm, and a glove box that also has a drain in it. I hope you've enjoyed this brief tour of our 2020 60th Anniversary 19 SPX. You can see this boat down here at Baldridge Marina at MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia. Again, my name is John Powell. You can reach us at 770-781-9370, or find us on the web at www.marinemax.com. Thank you for coming out, and I hope you have a great day.